If you're thinking about moving to Florida's Treasure Coast, choosing the right community can be just as important as choosing the right home. But two communities can look similar online, similar houses, similar amenities, and even similar prices. But living in them can feel completely different. I'm Jamie.
I'm Ann.
And I'm Alex.
Together we help people figure out which Treasure Coast community will allow them to live the life they want to live.
We live here.
We work here.
We spend every day helping people compare the communities before they ever make the move.
On this channel, we go beyond the typical real estate tour. We'll show you the homes, amenities, golf, pickleball, lifestyle, and what everyday life actually looks like.
We'll also get into the things that are really going to affect your decision, such as HOA fees, community comparisons, and new construction versus resale. We'll also go over some things that you may not consider when you're just walking through a model home.
The question isn't just, what can I buy here? It's, is this the right place for me? We'll take you inside communities like PGA Verano, PGA Village, Valencia Riverland, Aster Creek, Tradition, and other communities throughout the Treasure Coast.
Whether you're planning your retirement, relocating from another state, looking for a second home, or simply trying to figure out where you belong on the Treasure Coast, you're in the right place. Subscribe if you want an honest look at the communities, homes, and lifestyles of the Florida's Treasure Coast before you decide where to move.
And we'd love to hear from you. What Treasure Coast community are you considering? Or what would you like for us to break down next? Leave it in the comments and your question could be our next video.